Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily translate a video into another language that you chose in a CapCut PC. So this is a pretty new feature on CapCut PC, Video Translator. On the CapCut homepage, you'll see this. So when you click on this video translator, the video translator will be open, and here you can just drag and drop your video here or upload it. So your video should be 5 to 300 seconds long, and also it should be steady and feature only 1% for the optimal effect. So in here you can select the translate language from and also translate to what language. So let's start by clicking on this and select the video. Okay, I'm going to just use this for example. So this is the video that I want to translate, and here I'm going to translate from English because this video on English. This is the let's hear the
a good
uh, original
example to
video.
her. That's why I'm even doing this interview.
Okay, so
Like
this is
I
the
used to.
original audio English, and choose the translate to. So let's try Chinese. Now just click on translate and wait for the process, but don't forget to click on this to agree on the terms and service. Click on allow. Now CapCut will upload your media. After that it will translate it and you can download the result after that. So just wait. The translation will take about 5 minutes, so let's just wait until it's done. Or you can also just click on go back and see the progress in the recent tasks. So now the translate video is finished. You can just click on view and see the result. So I choose Chinese before. Let's hear now the video.
对他来说是个好榜样，这就是为什么我甚至要做这个采访。你知道，就像我曾经对这样的谈话感到非。
You can see the video is translated, but the voice still sound the same. So you can just export this, or you can also edit it again on CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.